In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a file or a link to your It's Learning course. To begin with, go to the course where you want to put these items. So I'm going to click the Go To menu and choose My Training Course. Now notice over here in my course tree on the left, I have a folder for Unit 1. If you want to put an item inside a folder, click on the folder itself so you get the Add link that's been indented underneath the folder. When you click this link, any item that you add will be put inside the folder. If you do not want the item inside the folder, then click the Add link that is not indented. I'm going to add within my Unit 1 folder, so I'm going to click plus Add. That will open the page of all the resources and activities that I can add to my It's Learning course. To add a file or a link, select the option File or Link. Notice the first thing you need to do is name your file or link. I'm going to demonstrate the file first. So notice here across the top I have a File tab, a Google Drive tab, a Dropbox tab, or a Link tab. If my file is in Google Drive or Dropbox, I can click on either of these tabs and select my file. I'm going to do a file from my computer, so I'm going to leave it here on the File tab. I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to find the file on my H drive, click Open, and then I will see that the file has been attached. Notice by default the file is active so that students will be able to see it as soon as you hit Save. If you don't want the students to see it, click No. If you want to set a time span as to when the file is open, you can choose that third option. You can add a description to the file if you'd like to. Once you're done, click Save. And then notice over here in my tree, under the Unit 1 folder, I see my sample file. And then my file is also displayed over here on the right. If I need to edit anything, notice I can go here to the Settings wheel, and I can edit properties, and go in, remove the file if I need to, change the description, make it active, whatever I need to change. Now let's look at how to add a link. I'm going to do the same thing. In my course tree, I'm going to click on the plus Add that's indented underneath the Unit 1 folder. I'm going to choose File or Link again. Once again, I need to give the file or link a name. I'm just going to say FCS website. And this time I'm going to choose the Link tab. Notice you're just going to be asked to cut and paste or type in the address of the website that you want to link to. Once again, choose whether you want to make it active or not. Type a description if you need to. Hit Save. You will see that link added inside of your folder if you put it in the folder, and then you'll see the link added up here as well. If I click on it, it will open a new page and take us to the website. Hopefully you feel comfortable adding a file or a link into your It's Learning page.